ZANU-PF National Chairperson, the Defense Minister Muchinguri Kashmiri, showed up uninvited at the Joan V of Africa International Church, the 2026 annual conference at Vuma Shrine in the Midlands on Saturday, drawing criticism from some congregants. Sarabina mashikano mdanyo kapangwe na chinzi, Muchinguri Kashmiri Invades Vapositori church gathering, that was subscribed to the bill icon. She appeared alongside the church's founder and lead Archbishop, Dr. Ndimu Kururu, as proceedings were underway. The presence of senior politicians at the religious gathering sparked a backlash among members who said politics had no place at the shrine. One observer said, "This is a church event, not a ZANU-PF rally. Why are they bringing politics here?" Another congregant complained, "We came to pray, not to be used for political pictures. It feels like an invasion." Critics accused Muchinguri Kashmiri of using the conference for political mileage ahead of 2028. "They only remember us when they need votes. Today they are here, tomorrow they are gone," one member said. Another added, "The shrine should be about God, not about minister campaigning." The Joan V Africa International Conference is held annually at the Mvuma Shrine. It attracts thousands of Vapositori followers from across Zimbabwe. Doma developments are good pangwa ine. In the comment section, members of Mura Aim to give answer to each. So subscribe or like, and turn the bell icon.